Hello friends! Remember, if you want something, you can probably make it. This special showcases projects that serve education and prototyping, gaming, home and office decor, and much more. This week we are showcasing some of our Christmas projects. I wanted to build an easy way for people to tell someone far away that they're thinking about them. Specifically, I wanted my sister in Pittsburgh, my folks in northeastern Colorado, and myself to have all connected buttons. I printed 3D items they all liked and rigged up these connected Christmas buttons. When either presses their button, my light tells me they're thinking about me. I can also click either of my two buttons to send my thoughts to them. They seem to really enjoy them. Another nerdy holiday gifting success. Be sure to subscribe or follow to catch up on our next video where we dig in a little deeper into this project. And until next time, happy hacking.